We are.
Bell Road,
Bell
Wellfleet,
Wellfleet,
between
Massachusetts.
the new campground for the DCR in Wellfleet and Cape Cod National Seashore.
We had to walk like 2+
Maybe
miles,
5.
maybe 5 miles
Yeah.
to the beach.
And this road
It was pretty
is
far.
amazing. There is not a sound, a human,
An animal,
an animal, anywhere.
insects only, so far.
Pretty amazing. What a blessing. Thanks for sharing it with me, babe.
You're welcome.
What was that? Did you hear that?
Mm-mm.
Not even.
Just give it a sec. Shh. Quit talking. It's strange. There are no birds.
There's no animal sounds,
There are no,
insect sounds.
right, there are no toads, although we have walked past a few different swamp areas
And a pond.
and ponds. All we've seen is mosquitoes.
However,
However,
there are no birds.
there are no birds. We have not seen one. I swear to God, not one. And I am an avid
Bird watcher.
bird lady because I feel like those are my past relatives coming back to see me.
Friends.
Oh, or friends, or animals. I swear to God, I feel like this cardinal that lives in our backyard was my grandpa or my
There's
grandma.
a connection.
Definitely a connection. And recently we had this one dragonfly that just landed on this one metal stake over and over and over. I could not move the stake. He kept landing there every time we're trying to move it.
Ownership.
And I swear to God, it was probably my cat Everett that we had to recently put down. He was like 21 years old. I swear it was probably him. But that being said, I know a lot of people don't believe in that kind of stuff. But, oh, there was just a little toad, something that just ran across the road.
Toady.
Oh, there he is.
Toady.
Oh, there he goes. I don't know
Toady.
if you see him or not. It's the first sign of life we have seen besides mosquitoes.
Toady.
And what is that, Greg? Look at that.
You see how thick that is?
What is that? Up in the trees.
amazing.
I'm gonna have to. Oh, look at somebody drew a heart.
Sign.
Somebody drew a heart here in the road.
Sign.
And what is that up in the trees? Look at it.
Some
It's like
darkness.
super dark. Can you see it? It's just a bunch of branches, but
Loving.
how strange. And somebody did
Loved
the
it.
heart
Somebody
right
loved
below it. Well, we like it too, but we're not gonna.
We're going to take a break here for
We're
a
gonna
second.
take a break, so
Pause.
we'll check back in a bit. Bye.